Hello, my dear students. I, Harsh Rathore, Assistant Professor, Sage University Bhopal. Today, I am going to discuss with you on subject Environmental Studies and Disaster Management. Topic Environmental Degradation and Sustainable Development. Let us start. Environmental degradations. We will discuss environmental degradations on following four heads. What is environmental degradations? Causes of environmental degradations, effect of environmental degradations, and how we can stop the environmental degradations. So now students, we will discuss environmental degradations introductions part. Environmental degradations is the decay of the environmental through depletions of resources such as air, water, and soil, the destruction of ecosystem, habitat destructions, the extinctions of wildlife, and pollution. Examples of environmental degradations are air pollution, water pollution, depletions ozone layer, extinction of animal, land degradation, soil erosion. Causes of environmental degradations. The primary causes of environmental degradations is human disturbance. Environmental change are based on factors like urbanization, population and economic growth, increase in energy consumption and agriculture intensifications. The degradation has adverse impact on humans, plants, animals, and microbes organisms. Now we will discuss on the effect of environmental degradations. Environmental degradations can lead to the scarcity of resources such as water and farmable. Extreme weather events such as severe flooding increase the spread of waterborne diseases such as malaria, diarrhea. These are the effects of environmental degradations. The effect of major environmental problem on both health and productivity are water pollutions and water scarcity, air pollutions, solid and hazardous waste, soil degradation, deforestation, loss of biodiversity, atmospheric changes. Now, what measures steps we have to use for avoiding the environmental degradations? So, following are the measures to resolve environmental degradations. First, change the way you get around. Be mindful of eating habits. Grow your own food or buy it locally. Embrace second-hand shopping. Replace standard product with energy efficient versions. Buy recycled products. Spread the word. Stop using plastic bottles. Try your best to use less water. Discourage littering whenever possible. Shop locally. Save energy in your home whenever possible. Go shopping using reusable shopping bags. Buy a water filtering system. Cut back on your use of paper products. Plant more and more trees. If you must drive a car, make sure that it is in optimal conditions. Use batteries that can be recharged. Don't put things other can use in the trash. Use a thermostat that can adjust itself. Don't wash clothes unnecessarily. Make good use of electronics device. Eat less meat. Make sure that your indoor plumbing is at its best. Reach out to the city officials. Learn how to properly dispose of chemicals. Help out. Use your dryer less often. Keep the environment in mind everywhere you shop. If you can have cool roof, go for it. Don't use product containing microbeads. Use the dishwasher, but only when it's full. Try to repurpose glass product instead of throwing them away. Now, friends, we are discussing with you on sustainable development. Sustainable development is the idea that human society must live and meet their needs without compromising the ability of future generations to meet their own needs. What is sustainability? Sustainability is often thought as long-term goal, while sustainable development refer to many process and pathway to achieve it. It is sustainable agriculture, forestry, sustainable productions and consumptions, many more. If we are taking example of sustainable development, then using recycled material or renewable resources when building is an example of sustainable development. Building a new community in previously undeveloped area without destroying the ecosystem or harming the environment is an example of sustainable development. Example and method of sustainable livings. Stopping the use of plastics is the best way of sustainable living. Reducing household energy use and utilization of renewable energy. Finding creative way of reusing everything. Cooking food by yourself and eating locally. Conserve more and more water. Depend less on your car. Drive green is the best example or method of sustainable living. Grow your plants and vegetable. Recycle item. Living in a small home. Thank you, students. I hope you like this video. Stay tuned with us.